Hey everyone, and welcome back to your English writing practice. Now, we have learned the subjects and the predicates and we've put them together, and today we are going to look into some paragraphs and find out, are those complete sentences? Yeah, that's right. Today we are going to look and find complete sentences, and then we are going to fix the broken sentences. We're going to find out what's wrong with them, what's missing, and then we are we are going to write our paragraph. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Remember, write your answer to our paragraph down below in a comment so that I can check your work and say, hey, good job, or hey, let's change this. But you never know unless you practice. Okay, let's get down onto our worksheet for today. What a surprise. Are you surprised? I'm not surprised, but that's what today is. What a surprise. So let's read our instructions here. We are going to read the passage. Then we are going to draw a line under each group of words that is not a complete sentence. Okay. Well, let me grab my pen here. And remember that. Draw a line under each group of words that's not a complete sentence. So remember, a complete sentence has a subject and a predicate. Exactly. Let's take a look at our first sentence here. Tina woke up early on Saturday. Do we have a subject? Yeah, we have a Tina. We have a Tina. Do we have a verb? Woke. So we have a subject and a predicate. Hey, that's a sentence. Let's look at the next one. Was a beautiful sunny day. Is that right? Was a beautiful sunny day. Something's missing. We have a verb, right? Was is a verb. That means we have the predicate. We're missing the subject. So Tina woke up on Saturday. What's another placeholder for a noun? Well, if it was Chris, it would be he. Tina, it would be she. But right here, we're talking about the day, right? So what's a placeholder for that? It. We're going to write it. If I can. It was a beautiful sunny day. That's a complete sentence, right? Draw a line under each group of words that is not a complete sentence. That was not a complete sentence. Let's look at the next one. Tina loved the outdoors. Do we have a verb? Well, yeah, loved is a verb. Do we have something to the left of it? We have a subject, right? Tina. So we have our subject and our... that's a good sentence. She looked out of the window. Is that a sentence? Do we have a verb? Looked is a verb. And we have... that's a complete sentence too. Hey, it's easy, right? That verb is super important. Saw her mom's car. Wait, what? Who saw her mom's car? What saw her mom's car? Something's missing, right? Saw is our verb, so that means we have our predicate. We need something on the other side. The subject. Well, who looked out the window? Tina. Tina looked out the window. Tina looked out the window. Tina loved the outdoors. Tina saw her mom's car. So who saw her mom's car? We need a pronoun. Yeah, she. She. There's an E. She saw her mom's car. That's a complete sentence now. And then we have, she would wash the car for her mom. Is that a complete sentence? Who? She. There's our subject, right? Would wash. We have a helping verb there. We have would wash the car for her mom. That's a complete sentence. It sounds too good. Yeah. And how about the last one? A clean car. That's definitely not good. Something's missing, right? Clean car. What do we need? we have no verb. So we need to make a predicate, right? A clean car, bleh. That's what's missing. So a clean car, well, let's look over here. She would wash. So we could use this guy right here. This kind of helping verb here, right? So a clean car would, so ugly. A clean car would what? If you came home and your car was nice and clean, it would be, a clean car would be nice, right? A A clean car would be nice. There, we can finish that sentence. A clean car would be nice. It would be great. It would be awesome. Make your own sentence. It's all good. Ooh, there was just a little water in there. I thought there was more water. Well, it's okay. Let's look at part B. Add a subject or predicate from the chart to make each group of words a complete sentence. Write the new sentence on the line. So, okay, that's not too bad. Let me get my other writing tool here. We need our text comment. Put on her old t-shirt and shorts. Well, put's a verb, so we know we have the predicate. We need a subject. Tina put on, or Tina and Dan put on? Well, her, so it's only one person. It has to be Tina. Tina, ooh, not thinna. Tina put on her old t-shirt and shorts. Yeah. How about she? So she is not a verb, right? It's a subject. So we need to find a predicate. She what? She got a bucket of soapy water, or she wanted to help Tina? Could be either one, right? She wanted to help Tina? Well, if we look at the subjects, we have Tina, that's one girl, and we have Dan, that's one boy. So she wanted, well, no, that doesn't make sense. It couldn't be a girl wanted to help Tina because Dan's a boy. So she got a bucket of soapy water makes more sense. Okay, so let's put that there. She got a bucket, K-E-T, of soapy water. Soapy, Chris. Soapy water. There you go. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. Tina's younger brother, Dan. Okay, there's no verb, so we need a verb now. So Tina's younger brother, Dan, what? Well, we only have one choice, right? Wanted to help Tina. There it is. Tina, ooh, not thinna. Why do I keep writing thinna? Tina's younger brother, Dan, wanted to help Tina. Tian? No, Tina. It's live, right? Okay, now number 4. Would surprise, oh, well, that's a verb, right? So Tina and Dan, that's our only subject up here. Tina and Dan would surprise. There, see, they match. Tina and Dan, two people, there, group of people. Ooh, we got it. Tina, there, I spelled it right. Tina and Dan would surprise their mom with a clean car. Cool beans, look at that. We crushed that part. So now it's time to write our paragraph. And remember, write your paragraph down in the comments so I can check it, okay? Let me get a text box here. It says, write a short passage about a time you tried to surprise someone. Okay, a time I tried to surprise someone. Let's just cover that. We don't need that. Okay, a time I tried to surprise. I got one. All right, so when was it? How long ago was it? Right, because it's a time you tried, past tense, right? So think back in time when you tried to help or tried to surprise someone. So a few years ago, I tried to surprise my mom. Oh, I did. I tried to surprise my mom. Now how, right? Because that's the next person. If you said to somebody, hey, a few years ago, I tried to surprise my mom, their first question is going to be, how? So that's what we have to write next, how? So I got a secret, S-E-C-R-E-T, a secret plane home from South Korea. Ooh, I got a secret plane ride home. Plane ride. Yeah, gotta write that. A secret plane ride. Ooh, what happened? Let's go back in here. Plane ride. What happened? A secret plane ride home from South Korea. Yeah, I took a secret plane ride home. My mom didn't know. So how did I make this work? Well, I called my grandmother and she came and got me. We should say that. I called my grandmother to come get me from the airport. She did. She came and got me from the airport. Mom didn't know. Super surprised, right? My grandmother came to the airport and got me. Then what did she do? She drove me to my mom's house. Yeah. Then I'll put a comma there, right? Then my grandmother and I went to my mother's house. Okay, so we need the big payoff. What happened? How did I surprise her, right? I surprised, spell it right, P-R-I-S. I surprised my mom, right? Because that's the first sentence up here. Write a short passage about a time you tried to surprise someone, right? So we're going to end this now. I surprised my mom, how? By ringing, I-N-G, ringing the doorbell. I surprised my mom by ringing the doorbell. Well, I should add one more. Let's add it on there. And giving her a hug when she opened the door. True story. That was easy. Yeah. A few years ago, I tried to surprise my mom. I actually did surprise her. So I got a secret plane ride home from South Korea. I called my grandmother to come and get me from the airport. Then my grandmother and I went to my mother's house. I surprised my mom by ringing the doorbell and giving her a hug when she opened the door. Happy story. Happy story. Tell me your story when you tried to surprise someone. Write your answer, your paragraph, down in a comment so that I can check it and see how you do. Yeah? And that was a fast lesson, I think. It was less than 20 minutes for sure. Okay, I will see you for our next lesson. Remember, keep practicing, keep writing, don't be afraid of mistakes. Bye.